What's good, YouTube? J Cruz back in the building, and I got a quick video for you. I was looking on Amazon and trying to find some parts for the bike. I needed to improve something. I needed something to match, and you can see it. You're looking at it right now. I have my saddlebag lights right here, and I have the stock OEM tail lights. And I was looking for an upgrade because I wanted to black these out. Not necessarily black them out, but to have them match the smoke lens. And I was going to try to paint them. There is a paint product that people use to paint their headlights. But luckily, on Amazon, I found this company, Trybee. Let's see what we got. So here's the box, came from Amazon. Trybee is the company. This is what we get inside. We have some nice color instruction, and we also have the tail light in there. There you go. Looks good quality. Here's your plug. It does not come with any screws, but apparently with the instructions, you have to reuse the factory OEM screws for it. So you have to remove the saddlebag, and have to remove the saddlebag, remove this bracket as well, and your screws will be inside there. So this is not an instructional video or anything like that. So I will come back to you once I have the saddlebags off and we take a look at the OEM stuff. So according to the instructions, you're gonna have to reuse the factory screws. So you're gonna need a 7/16 here, and I believe, I'm not sure what the Torx bit will be once I take this off, but I'll come back and show you. Yeah, so you're gonna use a 7/16 here. Unfortunately, I am not able to find my extension, but you should be able to get in here with no problem anyway. So I'm gonna loosen these up on both sides. This might be a little trickier here, but definitely not bolt there. I don't want to take this whole thing off. So now that the taillight assembly was removed, you're gonna need a Torx 27, which you're gonna take out 1, 2, and 3, and then you're gonna need a Torx 25, which you're gonna take out 1, 2, and 3 here. And then to basically install it, you're gonna do the reverse. I'll bring it back when it's done. So I have just putting all the screws in reverse order, and here you have your clip. You're just gonna clip that to the factory harness. But one thing I wanted to remind you guys of is once you install this again, just make sure you put on your red Loctite, because that way you want to make sure your parts stay on. All right, hold tight, and I'll bring you back with the finished product. So before I install the second side, I just want you all to take a look at the difference between the two. Look just at the brightness of the Trybee light. It is bright, just as bright or a little bit brighter than the factory. I don't think it's going to translate because I'm in the garage and I have it's daylight outside. But as you can see, it looks pretty good. And I like the way this has that tunnel effect. So that's pretty cool. So I'll bring you back when the other side's done. Stay tuned. So there you have it. It is installed. So let's sit back and let's take a look at what let's take a look at it, y'all. So I like the look of it. Let's turn the turn signal on. Go to the left side. It looks good just from what I'm seeing from the camera. I really like that tunnel effect that it has here. And it's just as clear and just as bright. So that is the Trybee tail light. So that completes the install. You guys tell me what you think in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Till the next time, stay blessed, stay full of joy and love. Let's get it.